Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a compatible Seltos and an active Kia ID before you start. Once you have those, open the Kia Connect app and sign in. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and mobile data are enabled, and keep the vehicle within about 10 meters so initial pairing completes reliably. Select Add Vehicle, enter your VIN, and follow the on-screen pairing prompts. You'll accept permissions for location and notifications. This starts the handshake between app and car, so remote features can register. Once the VIN is validated, you'll pair Bluetooth. Tap Connect, compare the PIN shown in the app and on the instrument cluster, and accept on both ends. After pairing, enable the specific services you want: remote start, lock/unlock, vehicle health alerts, and set update frequency for vehicle status. Make sure the app runs in background so push alerts arrive. If prompted, allow persistent permissions for location and notifications. This ensures features operate reliably, and the car reports. Finish by testing core commands, lock, unlock, and remote start from just outside the vehicle so you confirm successful control and response time. Then review the vehicle status screen to verify fuel, odometer, and maintenance alerts sync. If a command fails, restart the app and phone, verify vehicle software updates, and repair Bluetooth if needed. Clearing the app cache often resolves persistent sync issues. If problems persist, note error codes and contact Kia support with your VIN for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.